When we're thinking berries, without a doubt, one of our favourite berries here in Australia is strawberries. When we think of strawberries, we think of strawberries and cream, decorating a cheesecake, or a strawberry smoothie. So the first thing to do is make sure that you've got enough air movement throughout your patch. Strawberries do like good airflow around the plant to minimise the chance of disease. The other thing to do is ensure you remove any spent fruit. Strawberries are a great plant to get the kids involved in gardening as well. So kids, out you go, collect some strawberries, and while you're there, pinch off the spent fruit. Make sure that spent fruit is removed, because old fruit sitting on the plant is certainly a food source for some fungal diseases. So make sure that regularly comes off. So if you've got your spacing right and you're harvesting regularly, you're really not going to come into too many problems. And over the years, strawberries have really developed in terms of the varieties that are now available. We've got varieties now that not only have traditionally white and pink flowers, but there's some nice deep red blooms that are available on some of the newer varieties. So when it comes time to plant your strawberry, it's really important to get the spacing right between each plant. And the spacing details can be found on the front of the tag here. In this case, we're using the Strawberry Supreme variety in the Oasis Gourmet Harvest range. So the spacing for this particular variety is around 35 to 40 centimetres. So when planting your strawberry, it's important to make sure that you choose a location in your veggie patch that has a minimum of 5 to 6 hours sun a day. So once you've tipped your strawberry plant out of the pot, create a hole around 1.5 to 2 times the diameter of the root ball. Gently backfill around the root ball, allowing the plant to sit just proud on top of the soil. That way it'll avoid rain and water congregating around the base of the plant. So next time you're thinking of what to put in your veggie patch, think of strawberries. They're really versatile and the kids love them.